What's up guys, Enjoy here. Welcome to my channel Texo Academy. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for stopping by to check out my videos. In this channel we make videos on all things make money online, ranging from affiliate marketing, cryptocurrency, forex trading, selling gigs on Fiverr, Upworks and the likes. So if any of this interests you, kindly smash that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we make amazing video just like this one. Above all, we also make general entrepreneurial videos. Okay, so having said that, let's quickly dive into what we have for today. All right, so today I'll be talking to you guys about what type of crypto wallet you should use. All right, so what type of crypto wallet you should use. Now you just need to know that choosing a crypto wallet depends on your needs. So security, custodianship and interacting with the smart contracts are key points to consider when choosing a crypto wallet to use. By the way, what's a crypto wallet? Crypto wallet simply means a safe place where you store your crypto assets. Okay, it's just a safe house, a safe wallet, a safe bank where you store your crypto assets. Okay, it's a place where you store your assets. All right, so you also may want to access your wallet on different platforms. Now the different platforms can be either on the desktop, on the web, or on your mobile phone. Okay, so for browser extension wallet, it includes the MetaMask, it includes the Mart wallet, the Binance Smart Chain. All of those are browser extension wallets where you can store your cryptocurrencies. All right, these are good options to consider, but if you prefer a mobile experience, then you should go for things like MetaMask, you should go for Mart wallet, you should go for Trust wallet, and you should go for SafePower. All right, all these ones I called out now are available for iOS and Android users. They are available for iOS and Android users. Okay, they are all decentralized and they store your private key on your device. Now what is a private key? Private key is simply that unique encrypted phrase. Okay, it's just a scattered letters that you can use to access your crypto assets. All right, so SafePower also offers a cold storage hardware wallet for anyone looking for the highest security. Now if you're looking for highest security, you should go for SafePower wallet. Okay, it's an app, so you can also download that and use that as well. All right, so apart from the hardware version, all crypto wallets that are going to be mentioned right in this video are entirely free to use. Okay, so if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly smash that subscribe button, and if you love the values that we share in this channel, please do well to give us that like, and we appreciate that. All right, so let's quickly go over to the types of wallets. So what are the types of wallets that we have in the crypto space? Now the first one on the list here is a custodial wallet, and we are going to be talking about that briefly. And from there we'll move into what we call non-custodial wallets. I'll be explaining to you guys what that means. From there we'll go into the hot. All right, so we go into the hot wallet, and from there we talk about cold. Okay, so you can't talk about the hot wallet, you can't talk about hot without talking about cold. Okay, so we have hot wallet and cold wallet. All right, so now what then is a custodian wallet? Let's quickly look into that. Now a custodian wallet, these are wallets that provides wallet services offered by a centralized business such as a cryptocurrency exchange. All right, in a simple term, a custodian wallet is the wallet you don't manage by yourself, rather an exchange manages it for you. And in this case, the wallet provider holds your private key. You don't have access to your private key, you don't have access to your seed phrase, as the case may be. Okay, so this is the case with your digital assets in an exchange wallet such as Binance, such as KuCoin, such as Gate.io, such as Mercator's exchange, such as Polonis exchange, such as FTX, These are exchanges, crypto exchanges, where you can store your crypto assets. All right. Now, without owning your private key, you aren't entirely in control of your wallet. I already said that. Okay, you don't have control of your wallet. So you remember when we hear such news like what is this popular exchange again that normally experience that hack thing, Hotbit. You hear that Hotbit has been hacked by hackers, by scammers, and all that fund lost and all that blah blah blah. So they have to reimburse people who already invested into the exchange, whose funds are in the exchange and all stuffs like that. So in this case, you don't have you don't own your private key, and you stand the risk of losing your assets. So likely you won't be able to connect to dApps either. For example, if you only want to trade spot trade BSC tokens and other crypto assets, a custodial wallet is a reasonable choice, but you stand the risk of losing your funds. Okay, so the big question now is, should I leave my funds in exchanges? Is it safe? Is it right for me to do that? Okay, we're going to see that. We are going to get to know that at the end of this video. All right, so keep watching. So from there now we'll move into what then is a non-custodian wallet. We already talked about the custodian wallet to mean a wallet that you don't have total control over. Rather, the exchange manages your crypto assets for you in terms of storage. All right, so what then is a non-custodian wallet? Now we say that this is a type of wallet that permits users to own their private key, which are encrypted storage. Okay, so in this case now you have complete control of your crypto assets. Now it's the safest option for most traders and investors, as long as they take good care of their keys and seed phrase. Now security lies in your hands in this type of wallet. Okay, you are not entrusting your crypto asset to any exchange to manage it for you, to store it for you and all that. No, security lies in your hands. So the way you safeguard it depends on you. If you lose it, you have the blame on yourself. All right, unlike the custodian wallet, where if you lose that, you blame the exchange for not storing your crypto very well. Okay, and in such cases you may likely get a refund. But in non-custodian wallet, if anything happens to that wallet, then you've lost it forever. Okay, so you got to know that. Now let's quickly look into hot wallet. What then is a hot wallet? I prefer to call this a transaction wallet. Okay, but let's look into what a hot wallet means. A hot wallet can also be called a software wallet. It's a form of digital storage that you can access on your computer and phone, and usually your computer and phone should be connected to the internet. So like I said, it's a transaction wallet. Now look at this. Hot wallets are convenient for making transactions but come with some security risk. I'm going to explain that. Okay, so this is a wallet you use for transactions. All right, now at the end of this video, I'm going to give you analysis of how you should store your crypto assets. Okay, you shouldn't store all of your crypto assets in one wallet, in one type of wallet. It doesn't make sense. So I'm going to be giving you a classification of how you can store your crypto assets so you can be safe. So that even if something happens to the custodian wallet that you own some crypto assets in, then you also know that you have a non-custodian wallet, you have a hot wallet, and you also have a cold wallet where you have other crypto assets. So you need to diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. All right, so watch this video to the end to get to know that. Okay, I'm going to show you how I classify crypto assets into different wallets. All right, so your private keys is held online with your public keys, and it's usually accessible with a user set password. Okay, it's usually accessible with a user set password. Now, like any other password protected service, you could be hacked and phished. Okay, so you can experience hack, you can be scammed. even on this wallet. Okay, now to mitigate the risk, that's to reduce the risk of being scammed, you should do well to include a 2FA, that's a two-factor authentication. So it's either you are using the Google authentication or you are using the Binance authenticator. All right, so these two are highly recommended, but I personally use Google authenticator. All right, so you can download that on iOS and on your Play Store. Okay, so that's it for hot wallet. So what then is a cold wallet? Now a cold wallet, just like the name implies, otherwise known as a hardware wallet or a cold storage, is a physical device. Now this one doesn't have to do with anything online. Okay, it's a physical device, just like if you've seen a hard drive before, it looks like that. Okay, so it keeps your cryptocurrency completely offline. It keeps it completely offline. You don't have anything to do with online. You don't store your crypto assets online. So whatever the price of that crypto is, you don't care. Now we basically use this kind of wallet if you're keeping it for a long time, 5 years, 10 years. You know, if you're keeping it for a long time, then you can go ahead to use a cold wallet. Now this option is the most secure way to store and hold your BSC tokens, but it's often the most impracticable method. Yes, it's impracticable because how many of you have a cold wallet? How many of you can afford to buy a cold wallet? All right, a cold wallet. SafePower offers that too for making transactions and interacting with the dApps. Okay, one, it is kind of expensive. Two, it's really not that popular. Okay, so many persons do their paying online. Okay, but another disadvantage of this is when that physical device gets lost, then you've lost your crypto asset. You've heard about the story of someone who stored about 1,000 BTC into his cold wallet back in 2009, and he threw it away inside into a garden, and right now he's still looking for that device. He keeps using bulldozer to ransack the whole area, and yet he still not have access to that. Okay, so that's one disadvantage of a cold wallet. So when it gets lost, you've lost it all. So you've got to be careful whenever you are using a cold wallet. So what next? What next? What kind of wallet are you using to store your crypto assets? It's a question I would love to hear from you guys in the comment section of this video. What kind of wallet are you currently using? What kind of wallet are you currently using to store your crypto assets? All right, so in my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys a classification of your crypto assets, how to store your crypto assets into different wallets. Storing them in your custodial wallet, storing them in your non-custodial wallet, storing in your hot wallet, storing in your cold wallet, so that you don't easily get scammed and wrecked completely by scammers. Okay, and if you're yet to watch my video on how to avoid some P2P scams on Binance, do well to watch that, and also how these scammers steal your crypto. Okay, so do well to watch that. It's all in this channel. So go over to the content section, to the video section of this channel, and watch those videos. It's really going to help you to stay safe. Okay, that's the number one priority of this channel. Okay, making the money is kind of easier than keeping it. So you've got to take security very, very serious. So if you love the content that we share in this channel, kindly smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. But above all, please do well to share this video with someone. It's really going to help someone out there. Okay, so extend a helping hand to someone who needs to watch this video and classify his crypto assets very well to stay out of scammers. Okay, so leaving your coin, leaving your crypto assets in exchanges is not entirely good for you. Okay, so work with these classifications of the types of wallets and classify your crypto assets into these 4 types of wallets, and you stay safe 100%. So talk to you guys next time.